Hi, back again. We start. So we finished today the house here. So we start here with the white thing. So simply go there, mark that, and give them puts sign. Good. So we have that. You see the windows are too far away. So we simply mark them and bring them to the Y, so that it close up with the wooden stuff there. That we make with all of the windows. So that should be for first. That here must move away. I need space there for seeing behind. So we go on where we stopped. We make here the wooden stuff on there. So we give here plus and give them this wood material, and then if here unwrap we only take the top and bring them on a singular one. That here. Then next one, same wood material. I make first at all wood, and then we make it for each. It most goes better when you do the same thing quickly and then the other quickly, and so when you everything make there step by step ready, takes more time, I think. Oh, that was wrong. Good. Good. Yeah, that's many wood there. So think here, this front should have this too. So wood sign you from you. Here we must change there later all. And here wood 2. Don't forget these little things here. Wood sign you from you. Then we need here the inner sides and the outer sides here. That here. We can look from the side. It's numpad 3. Then you from view and give them wood. And then that is done. Good. You see it here down under. We have some. So we give there wood 2. And there you can take a cube projection. And rotate 90. Good. So we have there wood. We see here the only problem is here this side thing. So I think that wasn't completely unwrapped, so we unwrap cube projection. And take then only the front from view. It was with the sign, it's not a sign. Yeah, okay. Nobody knows. Good. We have that. Now we bring them in the right directions. So when we take that here, we see that is rotated, so we rotate it to a normal direction, and here also rotate and scale. Bring it there, maybe a little bit the same color. Good. Here, same, it's overall the same. Rotate, scale, grabbing, view from view, rotate, scale, grabbing, positioning. Good. Here, grab it to the side simply. Here also. So we see here on the things that must be turned. That is also that thing that we make it here from view, and then rotate them simply and scale it up, then it flows with the direction there. So view from view, rotate and scale up. Now all these little things are that what makes it so heavy to build such. There are many steps between them all. And that makes it a little bit hard. Modeled, that is the fastest way, but the texturing and this stuff, that takes long, and then later maybe compositing and so on. So a lot to do. So that. So that one. So from the base, that is for first okay. File save here, that we don't make anything. Now okay, we can put here some put some stone on, then that happens there. So ready, steady, go. Good. File, save. Then we must take here some stone on. So we simply look from the side, from view, give their stone a sign, and then scale. Here we have it to do from down under. So you project from view, scale. Good. So we have done that. File, save. I've seen last time that there is some like a bar into. So I take there a bar also. Give you a plus and call it bar. We say it should be an emission shader. It should come from texture. Open up our texture folder, and we need a bar. So I have searched one on the internet and found some, and I think I'll take that here, copy and paste it in our texture folder. Texture folder, and paste it there. And now I can take it from there. So we go back here and then texture and now the bar. So we have that. And then we go to the house, we take this one and bar sign U from view bounce. From view bounce makes it directly stretch to the complete clicked object or plane or like face. Good. File, save. Here we have to do again this sides. Look from the side. That is 3 numpad. View, from view. Then it should be wood assign, and then scale a little, and that is done. Here we have also some, so view from view wood sign, and can scale if you want, rotate 90 if you want, and then it should be okay. Good. Here we have some that should be puts sign. Good. Here we see there is missing the wood 2, so we can select that and look from the top. Is numpad 7. U, project from view, and give them wood assign. Then rotate 90 and scale. Good. Here we have to do the same. Look from the top, view, project from view, wood, sign, or we can take here cube projection. It should be the same. Scale up. Good. Only there's some. That must be turned. Good. So only thing that left to do is to make the textures better. So file, save, and we look at each texture that we optimize them. Not incomplete, but the main stuff. So puts the 3D effect is not there. So that means we need here the picture itself as a displacement. Then you see it's too much. So we add converter math node, go between, and give them a multiply by a value of 0.003 maybe. That is enough to see that. So the thing we also can do is bring some glossy in, but it's not needed because it is a very rough material. But we can do them more contrast. So add color, contrast, and give them 1 or 2. Good. The same we do with the stone material. So we can copy that one and that one. Control C, copy that. Then we go to stone material, Control V to plug it in. Then we make it between and plug it between the picture, the multiply, and the displacement here. There maybe it can be a little bit more, but we will see that the roughness is high. That's okay. Then the wooden material, Control V, we put it there also in. But here we have to do one other thing. We have to make it reddish, more red style, like in the original. There you see it is some red stuff. So we bring in here add color mix RGB and simply mix that with a red, but maybe not as strong. Let's look what we can get there. I think such like that will be okay. Maybe we can fade there a little, but I think that is real okay. Then we can here bring that maybe a little bit more up, that is close up here. Scale set and scale X. Good. Yeah, here it's very mystery, but I think we make there some of this too. So Shift D and place one there. Scale X. Normally there isn't one, but it's not normal that there isn't one, so we style it as we want, and then it's okay. So that can be a little bit more deeper into. So we can move them more to the Y, but not too much. Or we move them more in front simply. So, okay, that we have, so all okay. Think that can be it. File, save, and look in the preview. No. Yeah, that looks for me absolutely okay. The only thing is that is to lighten. In here is the 3D effect loose. So we go to the bar. There we can look in the notes and go there a little bit deeper from the strength of the emission. 7 or so is okay. Then we can give there also displacement. You don't will see it, but it's okay. So yeah. Then the roof. There was this Control V input, the contrast, and the 3D effect when the picture there and the displacement. You know that. Okay. Here we have forgotten one, I see. So that should be wood. Cube projection. Sign. Scale up. FOBS, okay. So we kill red, we don't need it anymore, and the white also. So we have done that house completely. Looks good. So all is fine. File, save. So then we see us in the next tutorial to build that house nearly the same. But that is the city, what should I say? We must build them house by house. There are many houses. Okay. So thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.